Hello, my babies. Welcome back to another vlog. Yeah, my husband is very angry with me, and you'll know very soon why.
टाइम का अर्जेंसी नहीं है कुछ। मोट ऑफिस का काम करना आके वापस बहुत काम है। आराम से करेगा।
I was dressing up last minute.
For what? एक मॉल में 15 मिनट में I just have to go and come। उससे अच्छा मैं खुद ही का चल जाता।
But I can't dress up bad, right?
ड्रेस अप बैड। परसों मॉल में कैसे गया था? ड्रेस अप करके गया था क्या?
Morning, my husband is telling me to dress up, but I was taking my own sweet time. I took a lot of time to eat breakfast and then dress up. I didn't want to dress shabbily. I wanted to deck up and dress. I like to dress up, okay?
May I have an important urgency for
I
time?
took only 10 minutes.
दे दो भैया। हाँ दे दो।
Time to keep it back only, ना?
एक पीछे रख दो ना गाड़ी में खोल दे रहा हूँ।
ये
हाँ गेट खोल दो।
नीचे रख दो Thank you.
थैंक यू।
Our first stop was in Orbit Mall. If you're new to this vlog and you don't know where this is, we are in Hyderabad at the moment. If you don't know anything about me, I'll just give you a small introduction about myself. I am from Mumbai, but after marriage, I have shifted to Hyderabad. And if you ask me which is better, Mumbai or Hyderabad, at the moment, I love Hyderabad. The roads are amazing out here. The air is much breathable here. The community where I'm staying is amazing. The food here is divine. So at the moment, I love Hyderabad much more than Mumbai. So why have we come to the mall today? It's for my husband's shopping. So he has ethnic day in his office. So we have come to buy shoes. He already has the outfit ready. Huh?
What are you doing there? बाल करली बाल किधर?
किधर? सी वो प्रेडेटर है ना? ऐसा करती हूँ। हाँ तेरे साथ झगड़ा करने का टाइम ऐसे ही बन जाती हूँ। The outfit was already bought from Tasva long back for my best friend's brother's wedding, but we couldn't make it for that because I was unaware. So he did the shopping that time. So he has all his ethnic wear, Diwali wear, all the festivals के लिए he has all his outfits ready. So I hope you enjoy this day. This is what our day looks when my mom is here with us and she looks after our daughter. We visited quite a bit of shops where we liked certain shoes, but then my husband's size won't be available. The color he wished for, that won't be available. Something different.
But कुर्ते के साथ जाए पजामे के साथ?
हाँ, वो you want proper Indian type. फिर ऐसा थोड़ा without shine.
नहीं विद साइन चलेगा बट लेस वेस कौन बांधेगा?
नहीं ये
ओके ओके मोजुरीज आर देयर बट दैट्स फॉर वुमेन
So here I'm admiring myself because I fit into a dress after a while. I was not fitting into this dress for a while because of the weight gain, and now a little bit of weight loss made me get into this dress and I'm very happy. So I'm just admiring my shape. हाँ हाँ ये भी ठीक है something different.
ये प्लेन है साइन लेना बट
हाँ this also is nice. You're anything golden you have in the dress?
नो दिस अ पिंक वाला जो पहन रहा हूं ना वो पहन
This is also nice ना baby festive के लिए. Which one? The first one I chose. हाँ पर उससे अच्छा I like this one.
बट उसमें बीच में वो पैच है ना
ये gold. Not bad. गर्लिश है क्या?
Not girlish. I like this kind of color.
That is also fine. This will go with everything.
Let's have a look at there,
Where?
center में,
हाँ
and see if we get something.
हाँ. Come in this one.
अच्छा है तो जिस वो शाइन वाला पार्टी के लिए और फंक्शन के लिए बट पजामा के साथ जाएगा वहाँ जाएगा.
If you're not following me on Instagram, do follow because I share a lot about hormones, liver health, weight loss tips, which will really help you. Latest topic was on estrogen dominance.
अरे ये उधर क्या चल रहा है?
ये जब तू मुझे पागल करवाता है ना फिर मैं ऐसे बन जाती हूँ.
फोटो लेना उसके. I am at the mall.
हाँ. Excuse me. See? Don't like this.
Sorry?
It's not nice. इसका क्वालिटी में पता चलता है.
पता तुम्हें बहुत पता है लेदर तुमको देख के पता लगता है लेदर हैवी क्या.
नहीं लेदर का नहीं. लुक तेरे पाँव में कैसे लग रहा है मुझे पता चल रहा है. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू लुक नाइस. वो उधर का जगह का अच्छा था. हाँ
I don't want lace.
लेस वो किधर है उधर? पागल हो तुम?
अरे बिना लेस का चाहिए.
हाँ तो वो नीचे का लेस का था बिना नहीं था ना. वो भी ठीक है. देखो बाटा का ट्रेंडिंग नाउ का उधर.
But that is a lace.
हाँ वो लेस है. हाँ. If you like something, his size won't be available. Don't like it. Nothing so exciting. I like the ones which we went before. Huh?
That side see.
No. See, that was just nice. Huh? That maroon one.
और कुछ
हाँ that also looks nice.
कलर कुछ और है ब्लैक कलर के अलावा.
This is nice. Something different. They're not brown.
ये टैन नहीं देखो टैन हटा दो. ब्राउन में कुछ है. चेरी ब्राउन कुछ है तो डल बहुत डल.
I think I like that. Then we decided to leave this mall and go to another mall. On the way, he recollected that he had showed me a watch which he wanted to purchase recently. So he said, let's check that out. हाँ उसको ही देखे. इसके पास है. देखो. हाँ? अरे मुझे ढूंढना है. तूने मुझे भेजा है.
ढूंढो ना तुमको कहाँ भेजा तुमको.
नहीं व्हाट्सएप इसमें नहीं है.
किसमें था
वो दूसरा मोबाइल में है. मैंने अभी तक व्हाट्सएप डाला. व्हाट्सएप भेजा नहीं. मैंने अभी इसमें डाला नहीं.
सीगा.
वो तो जापान का है ना.
नो
फिर
सीगा जापान का भी है.
सीगा. ओके.
This is the one, huh? This is the one.
ओ वाह.
Which one's the strap is?
क्या पतला है ना.
Very small for me.
On his wrists, usually thicker straps looks good on him. Siga. I heard that Sika. Not for your hands.
But yeah, but I think no, it's not open because this is a very small, thin strap. My hand will look very small.
Show me how it looks.
But it looks nice because of the mechanical arm. And the strap is silicone.
Now we're on the way to another mall.
या तो उसका ब्राउन होता तो अच्छा होता वो बर्गंडी ब्राउन. ब्लैक.
Lulu Mall.
वो हाउस ऑफ पटौडी वगैरह है ना, वो फोटो में अच्छा तो लग रहा है।
Yeah.
but पता नहीं ये 1500-1600 रुपये वो कुछ घर जब आएगा अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, वापस रिटर्न करना पड़ेगा। डोंट स्पॉइल योर बैटरी।
तुम टेंशन मत लो उसका।
हाँ 7 छोड़ो यार।
What is this 11?
हाँ इसका देखने दो, दूसरे वाले का देखने। नेक्स्ट टाइम कमिंग टू दिस प्लेस समथिंग।
You don't have it? We left Lulu Mall immediately and headed out to Surrey City Mall. Surrey City. This is one of the best malls I've ever visited.
Can I have a look? Stores. Unit number F136.
Soup. You're tired? So the outfit is from Tasva, so my husband thought he might get something similar to the outfit, but they also did not have his size. Now I needed a break. I became so freaking tired actually. So I said we need to sit for some time, and we are at his favorite place, Starbucks. He has his black coffee from here. So we thought we'll just take a short break out here. किधर बैठना है? Here I'm admiring myself. I feel so happy that this dress fitted me and it is not too tight also. The bloating has come down so much from what it was for so many months and years, I guess. I never took my diet strictly and never was consistent, and now I'm seeing results. I'm very happy. Being consistent is so freaking tough, but once you're on it, nothing like it. We have walked literally like 4,000 steps for a shoe hunting, right?
I don't know. I have to see मेरा count point.
3,500, 600 the last time I देख रहा था, अभी it might have become 4,000. That's the benefit of going for shopping in a mall. You walk so much, especially with my husband. If it comes to me, I know that I just have to go and pick up something from this shop. मेरा ज़्यादा घूमना नहीं है. But when it comes to my mother, comes to Praveen, there's a lot of walking in the mall. हाँ बाकी से.
देखिए इसका ना sunlight है ना, देखिए ना.
हाँ.
Natural light है ना बहुत.
हाँ.
It looks good in the natural light ना.
Yeah, and it's nice, big lot of legs.
Supposed to be India's largest mall or something.
हाँ. This one.
हाँ.
So this बड़ा है ये. About a year back, I like this amazing watch from Swarovski. It's completely glittery and everything, but I don't know why we did not buy it because I loved it for my husband. So we saw it again and we thought let's have a look. But then later we realized the strap was too thin and that's why we did not buy it then.
But we didn't put it in the hand ना. मिला नहीं था हम लोग को. हम लोग मुंबई में देखा था. बैटरी चले जाएगा उसमें.
Yeah. Oh, it was small. ऐसा कुछ था. हाँ, it was small. नहीं नहीं वो तो.
चार रहेंगे सर, ऐसे 4 आएंगे. 1 2 3
हाँ. और आएंगे.
और आएंगे, बड़ा होगा ये.
पर वो मेरे को पहनना पड़ेगा ना.
But it looks thin only, na?
ठीक है.
It's okay. You want to try it and see?
I want to try and see first. Without trying, I cannot figure it out.
Because this, the sides look
The
thin,
side-
right?
The strap size is thin, right? This is what? This 39 mm, I guess? Yes. 39 mm.
Looks nice.
But it is too thin for my
Ah,
hand.
it's thin. Mummy said it is thin.
That is thin. It should be at least 42 mm. 40-42 mm. Otherwise, it's very small.
मम्मी के लिए मैं देख रही थी बाद में. The watch looks beautiful, but not for my Pati Parmeshwar's hand. Finally, my husband liked something and we got it in his size. I don't know why 11, like why is getting 11 size so difficult. Finally we got it and he's so freaking happy. This is not what he bought.
Can
He
me show that is
bought,
the size.
I'll show you. This.
This looks better.
सॉक्स पहन के देखिए टैटू
Socks will look funny, right?
इसको मतलब कुर्ते के साथ बिना सॉक्स के रहेगा ना, सॉक्स रहेगा तो फिर नो शो करना पड़ेगा, फिर नो शो तो इसके साथ फिर वो सॉक्स दिखेगा पूरा। ये अच्छा है।
Are you comfortable when you're walking? This is nice.
ये मतलब पजामा तो जनरली बेज कलर या वाइट कलर के रहता है, उसके साथ
Now he's on a hunt for socks for another shoe. Finally, we're gone to the food court, but not for me. It's for my mom and for my Pati Parmeshwar. From a while, my mom was craving for Raj Kachori, so I thought, like, let's buy that for her from here. We got it at Haldiram's.
पास हो जाएगा ना, एक रात की जोड़ी अच्छी तरह ना। एक काम करना, दही बल्ले में कितना निकलेगा? दही बल्ले में 2, एक दही बल्ले, हाँ बड़ा रहेगा। अच्छा वो उसका एक
Shopping with my husband means
कट गया,
going to many malls.
लेफ्ट फिर कट गया होगा।
You?
वो मेरा लेफ्ट का पोजीशन ना वैसा होता ना,
And walking wrong chappals or for
ये
walking?
चप्पल में नहीं, वो ओनली A6 का शू
It's comfortable, yeah. A6 is comfortable anytime for mall walking. I did not wear it today. I didn't know how he's going to take me to so many malls.
Birkenstock hard है ना, तो
हाँ.
मेरा because not because of the चप्पल, because of my leg
हाँ.
falls in the wrong position.
Otherwise, I would have worn A6 if I knew unlimited malls में जा रहे हैं आज. Because I'm also, but this metro is fine what I'm wearing. But A6 is the best, especially for walks, climbing, everything. Lesser pressure on the knees. Now we are out from the mall. We are not yet out. We are on the way to get out.